Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I'm beautiful and write beautifully. Today's class is all about the future indefinite tense, also called simple future. What is future indefinite tense? We use future indefinite tense to describe actions that will happen in the future. Structure: affirmative. Subject plus will plus base verb. Example: I will go. Negative: subject plus will not or won't plus base verb. Example: she will not come. Interrogative: will plus subject plus base verb. Example: will they help us? Examples: I will visit my grandmother tomorrow. He will call you in the evening. Will she attend the meeting? He won't go to the party. When to use. Number 1, for decisions taken at the moment. Number 2, for predictions about the future. Number 3, for promise and offers. Common mistakes. Wrong: I will go tomorrow. Right: I will go tomorrow. Wrong: she will to come. Right: she will come. Practice time. I will learn English every day. Will you help me? He will not lie again. Motivation. Every time you say I will, you are shaping your future. Say it with confidence. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah. Let's speak English beautifully, fluently, confidently. Thank you very much.